welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch. Thank you so much for those who've already subscribed and turned on the post notifications. If you're watching this for the first time, my name is Ruth Kwamby. This channel is all about healthy juices, smoothies, and a bit of travel. And before we go on, please support this channel by hitting that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and you'll always be the first to get notified when we have a new video coming in. Beetroots are high in iron, fiber, folic, and potassium. So today I'm going to show you how we can make beetroot juice, and I'm going to mention the benefits of drinking beetroot juice. So please stay with me till the end of this video. This is what we need: water and beetroot. Then we blend this. So this is our beetroot juice.
Nope.
Okay, if you don't like the taste, we just do this. This is lemon juice. Just squeeze some lemon juice and add to it. Yeah, now it tastes better. You can take it. If you don't like the taste, if you don't use lemon, you can also blend beetroots with apple. Just add some bit of apple, blend together, and then take it. It's going to help you. As I said, beetroots are very high in folic, they're very high in fiber, potassium, and all this. So you need to incorporate them and drink them, and they are really going to help you. So what are the benefits of drinking beetroot juice? Number one, beetroots may fight cancer because they provide antioxidants that are going to fight free radicals in your body, and at the end of it all, help you fight cancer. They also possess anti-inflammatory properties that are going to help you treat diseases like leukemia and others. Beetroots can help in diabetes treatment because they are said to reduce the glucose levels in our bodies. They contain betalains that are very powerful antioxidants that help in treating cancer. They may help fight erectile dysfunction. Yes, if you've not watched the specific juice about treating erectile dysfunctions, I'll put a link in the description box below. You can be able to watch it, and it's going to help you. But then beetroots contain nitric oxide that is very helpful in treating erectile dysfunction. It's going to help relax the muscles and increase blood flow in your body and even in the penile muscles. That's why it's of great benefit. Beetroots may help athletic performance. They increase energy. They improve cardiovascular and respiratory systems, hence helping you be able to be very good in athletics. They can be used as a hair dye. Oh my god, did I say hair dye? Yes, beetroots can be used as hair dye. Take some beetroots, mix with some coconut oil, cover your hair for at least 1 hour, and then rinse it off. It should be able to work. I think I'm gonna try this, but then my hair is colored brown, so I don't know if I add beetroot it's going to like bring any significance. But anyway, another thing is that beetroots can be used for weight loss and ease constipation. Before I talk about this, I have a weight loss juice. If you're struggling with weight, please make sure you watch the weight loss juice. I'll put the link in the description box below so that you're able to see it. Constipation, I have a juice for constipation specifically. If you want to deal with constipation, make sure you watch it. I'll put the link also in the description box below. Juice can also help in boosting or easing constipation, and they can aid in weight loss. They may promote heart health. Yes, we need a healthy heart. They contain nitrates. Nitrates can be able to help in dilating the muscles and in helping the blood to pump well. So they are very helpful. Beetroots can help in treating acne and pimples. If you're a person who suffers from acne and pimples, I don't easily get acne and pimples. Occasionally I do, but I drink a lot of these juices. Now beetroot is really going to help you. If you're dealing with acne issues and pimples, just make sure you incorporate it because it contains the anti-inflammatory properties that we've mentioned. It's rich in iron, it's rich in vitamins that our skin needs. So make sure you incorporate it, and it's going to help you. Beetroots increase testosterone in men and estrogen in women. when women age or as days go by, our estrogen levels go down. Even in men, the testosterone levels go down. So beetroots contain minerals that are going to boost testosterone and estrogen in men. So it's good to drink beetroot juice. Those are some of the benefits that I got that you can get if you incorporate beetroots in your diet. What you need to do if you want to drink beetroot juice, just drink it first thing in the morning on empty stomach. I have not taken anything, I just drank my water. So this is the best time for me to drink beetroot juice. Any side effects that we could get by drinking beetroot juice, one that should not really worry us is a red color in urine or stool. That's normal because you drank beetroot juice. Another warning that I could give is that if you previously suffered from kidney stones, please stay away from beetroots, because studies say that if you drink beetroot, it could also like trigger or give you kidney stones in the long run. So please make sure if you've been suffering from kidney stones, stay away from beetroot juice. Make sure you incorporate it in your diet. Make sure you enjoy it. It's very tasty. It's very, very nice. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end of this video. Let me know what you think about beetroot juice. Let me know other uses that you have tried and that have worked for you for beetroot juice. And before I end this video, I don't forget to mention that this beetroot juice can help increase your blood. Yes, please incorporate it in your diet. It can be a good way to increase blood if you're suffering from low blood count in your body, but that will be another video for a different day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you like it. Please, before you log off, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and let me know what you think about it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and to turn on your post notifications for any more videos that are coming up. Thank you so much, and hope to see you in my next video.